Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lema Dental Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey. If you're visiting Istanbul for dental treatments in 2026, you're not just improving your smile. You're also exploring one of the most exciting cities in the world. In today's video, we'll share the best places to visit between your dental appointments so you can make the most of your dental treatment experience in Istanbul. Relax with a Bosphorus cruise. One of the best ways to enjoy Istanbul between appointments is by taking Bosphorus cruise. The Bosphorus connects Europe and Asia and offers breathtaking views of palaces, mosques, and luxury hotels, and the famous Istanbul skyline. It's a relaxing and comfortable activity during your dental journey. Visit Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia is one of Istanbul's most iconic landmarks and a must-see destination for international visitors. With its incredible architecture and fascinating history, it's one of the most unforgettable cultural experiences in the city. Explore the Blue Mosque. Located in the historic Sultanahmet district, the Blue Mosque is famous for its elegant domes and beautiful blue interior tiles. Many visitors enjoy spending time walking around the surrounding square and taking photos of the stunning scenery. Discover the Grand Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar is one of the oldest and largest markets in the world. From Turkish sweets and spices to jewelry, textiles, and handmade souvenirs, it's the perfect place to experience local culture while enjoying your time in Istanbul. Experience Turkish cuisine. Istanbul is famous for its food culture. During your stay, you can enjoy traditional Turkish breakfasts, kebabs, baklavas, and authentic Turkish tea and coffee. Of course, if you've recently had dental treatment, make sure to follow your dentist's recommendations about food choices during recovery. Watch the sunset at Galata Tower. Galata Tower offers one of the best panoramic views in Istanbul. It's a favorite location for tourists and patients who want beautiful photos to remember their smile transformation journey. Walk along Istiklal Street. Istiklal Street is one of the liveliest areas in Istanbul, filled with cafes, restaurants, shops, and street performers. It's a great place to enjoy the city atmosphere between dental appointments. Visit the Basilica Cistern. The Basilica Cistern is one of Istanbul's hidden historical treasures located beneath the city streets. Its unique underground architecture creates a peaceful and unforgettable experience for visitors. Capture your smile journey. Many dental tourism patients love documenting their transformations with photos and videos around Istanbul's famous landmarks. Your trip becomes more than just a dental appointment. It becomes a memorable travel experience. Why Istanbul is perfect for dental tourism? Istanbul combines world-class dental clinics, experienced dentists, rich culture, and incredible hospitality all in one destination. That's why thousands of international patients choose Istanbul every year for cosmetic dentistry and smile makeovers. If you're planning your dental tourism journey in 2026 and want to enjoy the best of Istanbul during your treatment, the team at Lema Dental Clinic is here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and tell us in the comments which Istanbul destination you'd most like to visit. Thank you for watching, and we hope to welcome you soon to Istanbul for your smile transformation journey.